from 6th to 12th, only 12th class, all 70 cadets except one boy. I don't know what happened. All 70 boys, you attended the PTA meeting. So you had understood about your seriousness and your parents also they are involved. Some country lords from 11th class is telling, is it so, sir? PTA meeting, sir? Parent is asking me, sir, why are you troubling today evening, sir? I gave mouthful, you know very well about me. Yesterday he didn't call, then I called evening 5 o'clock the class teachers. They irritated the class teachers. So then immediately they called me. I went there. You know very well. Problem இருக்கிற இடத்துல நம்ம இருக்கணும் இல்லைன்னா
No problem.
என்னடா ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கிற இடத்துல நம்ம இருக்கணும் இல்லைன்னா நம்ம இருக்கிற இடத்துல ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கணும் இல்லையா? நான் ரொம்ப வந்தா விட்டுருவோமானமா வச்சு வாங்கினா பாத்துக்கோ அந்த பேரண்ட. இது 2 பேர்னாலே ரொம்ப இடிச்சு வாங்கன்னு நினைச்சு பேசிட்டு இருந்திருக்கான். வச்சு ஏத்து நினைச்சு போட்டேன். இஷ்டம் இருந்தா வை, நாளைக்கே டிசி அனுப்புவாங்க அவங்களுக்கு. கண்டிப்பா அந்த படத்துல படின்னு வந்துடுறாங்க. சார் உங்க இஷ்டத்துக்கு நீங்க பிடிஎம் வைப்பீங்க, எங்களுடைய இதெல்லாம் நீங்க பார்க்க மாட்டீங்களா? எப்படி புதுகணவதி
சார்?
எப்படி அவன் சொல்ற பதில பாரு சார். உங்க இஷ்டத்துக்கு நீங்க பிடிஎம் வைப்பீங்க சார், எங்களுடைய சௌகரியத்தையும் பாருங்க சார். நீங்க எப்படி இந்த சௌகரியத்தை பார்க்கணும்ல? நானு நீதாண்டா அந்த பள்ளிக்கூடத்துக்கு அட்மிஷனுக்கு அப்ளிகேஷன் போட்ட, நான் ஒன்னும் வீட்டுல வந்து உன் கையை பிடிச்சு இழுத்து கொண்டு வந்து சதீஷ் சார் பையனே நீ வாயா சரி ஸ்கூல் வாயான்னு கையை பிடிச்ச சென்னையில இருந்து விட்டு வந்தேன். நீ என்ன பண்ண?
I only came, sir.
Yes, you only put the application. You only came to school. Then don't change the school's rules and regulations. Whatever school is telling, you have to do it. Not like that. Whatever you tell, I will do it. That's a private school. And also not good to private schools. அத்தாலஞ்சி வர வழியே இல்லைன்னா சரி வாசாமி எப்போனாலும் வாசாமி இருந்தாலும் தவிர ஸ்கூல்லாம் அப்படிலாம் இருக்க முடியாது. ஓகே, I don't know what is the reason today many boys are late. Only 59 also. Come earlier. After September, I also going to take rest. You also take rest. 1 month I will not teach anything also. Okay. Differential equation is the chapter. It is a combination of the chapter of derivative and integration. Derivative and integration together is called the differential equation. What are the subheadings are there? Subheading number 1. You find order and degree. Find order and degree is one part. Second one, verify this is the differential equation or not. And the third one, we have to form the differential equation. Verify the differential equation is different. We have to form the differential equation is different. Verify the differential equation and suppose x plus y is equal to 5. Verify that the value of x equal to 2 and the value of y is equal to 4 is correct or not. What is the verification? Is it correct?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So this is called verification. The same way, form the differential equation mean in application of derivative. That means area under the curve. You formed the limit, lower limit and upper limit. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is called forming the differential equation. Next one is the last one, solving the differential equation. The solving the differential equation is the 4-mark question. Remaining everything is 1-mark question. The solving the differential equation, again 3 small headings are there. One is okay, variable separable variable separable method. Variable separable method. Next one is homogeneous differential equation. homogeneous differential equation. The C one is called integrating factor, IF. Integrating. So these two is very, very important. When you solve these two B and C method, okay, automatically we are going to use variable separable method. This is the byproduct. This is the byproduct. Variable separable method is the byproduct only. Because when you will solve B and C, homogeneous and IF, okay, automatically we are going to use the variable separable method. Only this much is there in the differential equation. Very good chapter. In CBSE, the total number of marks from the chapter is 9 marks. Okay, very easily we can score the mark also. The easiest chapter. Now, first of all, now we'll come here. Differential equation. What is the meaning of a differential equation? Differential equation, I already told it is the mixed, the sambar. Okay, how we will make that sambar? பருப்பு அந்த கூட்டு சாரி அந்த காய்கறிகள் எல்லாம் முருங்கைக்காய் கத்திரிக்காய் எல்லாம் போட்டு வைக்கிறதா சாம்பார் பருப்பெல்லாம் போட்டு ஆனால் differential equation means taking the derivative with respect to the variables dy by dx plus y equal to 7. This is called a differential equation. The differential equation, the differentiation will come. Integration will not come. Solving the differential equation, we are going to involve the integration. Otherwise, it will come like this only. I'll give another example: d square y by dx square plus 7 into dy by dx equal to 5x square or 5y square, like this. So this is called differential equation. Okay, that's the definition for differential equation. An equation involving derivative, an equation involving derivatives of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable, with respect to independent variable is known as differential equation. Example: write the example. Not only x, y and the polynomial function, sometimes it will come like this also. dy by dx equal to a sin x. What is the difference between equation number 4 and 5? Anybody?
Theta is difference.
Theta is different. So here what happened? The trigonometric function dy is the heart. The trigonometric function sine dy by dx is the heart. But here what happened? Trigonometric function is different because it is coming sin x, and another one is called dy by dx is coming different. This is different. Okay. Later on I'll tell you what is the. Now we studied what is the difference. Okay. Later on I'll tell you why I'm teaching this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
When I'll solve the problem, I'll tell you, you will understand. Right, heading, the first heading we are coming, number 1. Order and derivative. Order and degree. What is the meaning of the order?
In a particular format.
This is called first order derivative. dy by dx is called first order derivative. D square y by dx square is called second order derivative. Now you understood, you tell me what is the meaning of the order?
Power.
Huh?
Increasing power.
How many times
Power.
we are going to differentiate? The problem is given y is equal to sin x. If you find dy by dx, this is called, what is the name?
First order.
First order. If you find d square y by dx square, what is this name?
Second order. Second order.
Second order. If you find d cube y by dx cube,
Third order.
third order.
Third order.
So now understood what is the meaning of a order. What is the meaning of the order? இந்த ஆர்டர்ல highest power, இந்த ஆர்டர்னுடைய highest power is called degree. What is the meaning of a degree?
Highest power.
Highest
of order.
power of an order.
See, கடிங்க நீங்க. The highest power of the order is called degree. But here what happened? Everything we have to take it in the polynomial equation. What is the meaning of a polynomial equation? What is the meaning of a polynomial equation? Now, let us say I write one equation. This is called a polynomial equation. Understood or not?
Yes.
Yes. Second one.
Yes, sir.
This is also called a polynomial equation. This is not a polynomial equation. Why it is not a polynomial equation? Tell me.
Highest power is 2.
No.
dx dy by dx is
Dy
1
by
to
dx is
sin
same.
x.
dy by dx is the heart of the trigonometric function. Because totally how many functions are there? Isolate functions are there. The isolate function, this is called a trigonometric function. The trigonometric function, the heart is another derivative function, dy by dx. So we should not mix like this. But we can mix like this, no problem. Why we can mix like this?
It is not hard.
It is not trigonometric value, sir.
Yes. So this is different. Sin x is a trigonometric function and the dy by dx is the derivative. Here it is not like that. Sin coming along with the derivative. So it is not a polynomial function. Not a polynomial function. What will happen, sir, if it is not a polynomial function? If it is a polynomial function, there is no degree. பாலினாமியல் ஃபங்க்ஷனா இல்லை என்றால் அதற்கு டிகிரி இல்லை. There is no degree for the polynomial function. Okay. Now we are going to study about the order. What is the meaning of the order? Now you tell this question. What is the order for question number 1?
3.
3.
So here 3 is the order of the differential equation. Order is 3. Now what is the degree of the differential equation?
1.
Because here the power is there 5, but don't worry about that one. We have to see the degree depending upon the order. Order எங்க இருக்கோ அதுக்கு தான் டிகிரி பார்க்கணும். இது ஆர்டர்னு முடிவு பண்ணிட்ட நீ. This is the order. Then we have to see the highest one. The highest one is 1. Okay. Now you tell me in the second problem, what is the order?
2.
2.
Order is 2. What is the degree?
4.
4.
Now you take this problem. What is the order?
2.
2.
2.
What is the degree?
No degree.
No degree.
No degree. Why no degree?
Not a polynomial function.
Yes, it is not a polynomial function. Everybody has a textbook nearby you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, open your textbook. Open your textbook. By the time I will give 2 problems, but you open your textbook. Open your textbook. Please clear away dx square the whole cube. புத்தகம் வேற எங்கேயும் வச்சிருந்தா எடுத்துட்டு வந்துரு. புக்கோட உட்காந்து என்னைக்கும் whole square plus 11 equal to 0. What is the order?
2.
2.
What is the degree?
3.
3.
3.
3.
Yes. Now, one more column. T square by dx square. Yes. What is the degree? What is the order?
2 orders.
Order 2.
Degree also 2.
Degree also 2.
Both 2.
Huh?
2 degrees, sir.
See, I gave a lot of example, but in the example I never given this square root as the differential equation. So first of all, what we have to do, you have to remove the square root. You have to remove the square root. So d square y by dx square. How to remove the square root, which is equal to 2 plus right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Sir, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now what happened? This d square y by dx square minus 2, you take it inside, which is equal to 3 plus dy by dx to the power 1 by 2. What shall I do? Remove that 1 by 2.
Square
Very good. Squaring on both the side. Squaring on both the side. D square y by dx square minus 2 the whole square equal to, automatically it will happen 3 plus dy by dx. So this side no problem. So here when I expand this one, what will happen? You tell me, d square y by
dx square whole
dx
square.
square.
d square
Square.
the whole square minus plus 4 minus 4 into
dy
d
by
square y by
dx.
dx
in the
square.
first problem I am simplifying like this. There is no need to simplify. In UPSC examination, there itself you can tell the answer. But nowadays, what happened? Previously, they never asked this question in CBSE. And now they introduced one more question. So in one more question, they are asking what is the degree and order. That's why I am giving this much important for this exercise. Yes, now you tell me what is the degree, order,
2.
2 is the
what
order.
is the degree.
2.
2.
Okay, right, next problem. Find the degree and order of this problem. E power 4 divided by px power 4 plus sin into yes, now you tell me.
No degree, sir.
4.
No degree, 4 order.
Order 4 no degree.
4 order, no degree.
Order 4 no degree. Order 4
What is
no
order?
degree.
Order equal to
4.
4 degree.
No degree.
No degree.
But now you come to the exercise. Exercise 9.1. Exercise 9.1. You open the textbook. You tell me the first problem. Number 1. D power 4 y divided by dx power 4. What is the order?
4.
4.
4.
4. What is the degree?
No degree.
No degree.
Second problem.
Y dash plus 5y equal to 0.
What is the order?
1.
1.
Degree.
1.
Third problem. Order.
2.
4.
2.
Degree.
1.
Fourth problem. Order.
2.
2.
Degree.
2.
No degree. No degree.
Degree.
No degree.
No degree, but 1 by he told 2. I don't know why. Fifth problem. What is the order?
2.
2.
Degree. Degree.
One.
Sixth problem. Order.
One.
Sixth problem. Order.
One.
Three.
One. Sixth problem. Order.
Three, sir.
Degree.
Two.
Degree 2. Correct. Question number 7. Order. Degree. Eighth question. Order. Degree. E power x is introduced newly. No problem. Okay. Question number 9. Order. Degree. Tenth question. Order. Degree. No degree, no? Sine y வந்துருக்குலடா.
Y dash is divided by
That is the sine y only. So it is written sine y. Sine y ன்னு இருக்கதவர sin dy by dx ன்னு இல்ல. So there is a degree. Now tell question number 11 is your UPSC question. CBSE also nowadays. The degree of the differential equation.
Not defined.
Not defined.
Yes. Not defined. D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Otherwise, what happened? Many boys they'll write the answer is 3. Immediately they'll write the answer is 3 because they'll see d square y by dx square. Papa, order papa d square y by dx square இருக்கு. போடுறா அது ஆர்டர் 2 அதுக்கு மேல இருக்கிறது பவர் தான் டிகிரி 3 ன்னு போடுவான். ஆனா இங்க sin பக்கத்துல dy by dx வந்திருக்கு. There is no degree. Come to next problem. Question number 12. What is the order of the differential equation?
2.
Which is the correct answer? A is the
Option A.
A is the correct answer.
Yes.
A is the correct answer. Now, parallelly, we do the PPSC problem from this cell chapter. Right. The order and the degree of the differential equation
Option D, sir.
D, sir.
option
D.
D is the correct answer. How? How? Can you say no? What shall I do?
Whole square.
To remove this 3 by 2, what I have to do? Squaring. Because here 3 by 2 is coming as the power. So I don't want anything in the denominator. What shall I do? Multiply it by 2. Automatically 2 under 2 cancelled. Multiplied by 2 means what is the meaning? 3 by 2 to the power 2. Because whenever 2 powers are there, we have to multiply. So the problem is coming like this: d square y by d x square the whole square equal to 1 plus dy by dx the whole square to the power the whole square na 3 by 2 whole square no. Meaning is like this: but here multiplied by 2 will come. Okay, so the 2 and the 2 will come, that the 3. It will not make any difference because here the order is 1, here the order is 2. அப்ப இதைத்தான் எடுக்கணும் நம்ம. So the order is 2. அப்ப இதனுடைய பவர் பார்த்தா என்னது? degree also 2. This is the correct answer. dy by dx the whole square equal to 4 plus over 2 by 3. What is the degree and the order?
1 and 6, sir.
1,6.
1,6.
Huh?
1 and
1,6.
Order equal to 1
1,6.
degree. How it is 6?
whole cube.
Cubing both sides.
Whole cube.
Both sides.
Because here 2 power 3 is
On
there.
both sides.
2 power 3 is there. So I need to multiply by 3. So whole cube. Here whole cube means என்னவா மாறி இருப்பனா?
Power 6.
Power 6.
Power 6.
Here power 3 வந்துருங்க. But 2 powers are there, we can multiply. Power is 6. Last problem. D square y by equal to d square y by dx square equal to square root of 1 plus dy by dx the whole square. Tell me what is the order, what is the degree?
2,2.
2,2.
Order is the second order derivative,
2,2.
first order derivative 2 only. So the square root is there. I have to remove the square root, so therefore squaring on both the side. So the degree is understood. So this is called to find the
Yes, sir.
degree and the order. What will nama? Path finder ni kandupichallama at least rendu kanaka.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
John.
Yes, sir.
John kandupichallama irkiya line la.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if you are getting, then well and good, you can find out very easily. Next, verification of the differential equation. Because I am not going to give much importance for this exercise. I will do 1 or 2 problems, then I will wind up. It is very easy for you, but normally they are not asking in the UPSC examination. Right. Verify the differential equation. Verify the differential equation. Y is equal to (4 sin 3x) is the solution of the differential equation. D square y by dx square plus 9y equal to 0. Verify the differential equation. The complete exercise I'll give homework. Okay. Now this UPSC sum kedaidu, CBSE la kekran. Okay. Now this equation we have to verify it. So y is given. First of all, what we have to find?
dy by dx.
What is the dy by dx? Tell me in one step.
12 cos
12 cos 3.
12 cos 3.
Next, what shall I do? What I have to find the
d
next
square
one?
by dx.
D square y by dx square.
Second derivative.
Well, what is the answer?
Minus 36
Minus
sin
36
3x.
sin x.
Minus 30.
73.
Doing the verification and take LHS. LHS equal to
D square by dx square plus 9y equal to 0.
what is a d square by dx square?
Minus 36 and
Minus
3x
36 sin
Minus
3x.
Plus
Plus
9 into
Plus
4
36
sin
sin
3x.
36 sin 3x.
Is the answer?
0.
Zero. The last problem of today. Y is equal to a cos x plus b a cos x plus b sin x is the solution of the differential equation. இதை நான் செய்ய போறதில்லை, நல்லா நீங்க பண்ணுங்க. யாராவது 10 பேர் எஸ்ன்னு சொன்னா நான் முடிச்சுட்டு போயிடுவோம். அவ்வளோதான். பிளஸ் y into sin x cos x into dv by dx plus y into sin x equal to b.
Correct, sir.
Problem number 1 to 11 is your homework. Tell me where it is here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Solution, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will not do it.
Sir, what is explicit and implicit?
Huh? Is it?
Explicit, implicit.
I'll tell you tomorrow. Explicit, implicit function, they are in derivative. Anything that is not in the differential equation. Is it coming in differential equation?
In book, that question is there, sir.
Yes. Implicit function அப்படின்னு சொன்னா x தனியா இருக்கும், y தனியா இருக்கும். இப்போ x equal to 5 cos x. Y is equal to 7 sin x. Find dv by dx. படிச்சிருக்கோமா அது?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. It is not x. It is in t.
T.
t இல்லைன்னா தீட்டா எதுனாலும் போட்டுக்கோ. படிச்சிருக்கோமா அது?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
டீன்னு போடுறோம், தீட்டானே போடுறேன். தான் implicit function. Implicit functionனா y கொடுத்திருக்கு with respect to some other variable theta. This is called implicit function. Implicit function. அப்ப இதுக்கு என்ன கண்டுபிடிப்போம்? நாங்க அந்த கொஸ்டின் எப்படி போடுவோங்கிறத சொல்லுங்க. நீங்க எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்போம்?
dx by theta, dy by
dx by dt எப்படி
dy by d theta.
dy by dt கண்டுபிடிப்போம்.
Divide.
அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன செய்வோம்?
Divide, sir.
dy by
dy by dx.
dx equal to
dy by dt divided
d theta by dx by dt.
this is called implicit function. explicit function அந்த கொடுத்திருக்காங்கல y கொடுத்திருக்காங்கல, this is with respect to x, with respect to x, this is called explicit function. அப்ப நீ இது டைரக்டா என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம்னா, நீ இதுக்கு dy by dx கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். dependent function with respect to x, ஏன்னா இங்க equation also with respect to x, here also with respect to x. Here my question is to find dy by dx, but the x is with respect to what?
Theta.
Y is with respect to what?
Theta, sir.
Theta.
That's right. Understood? Okay, this is a solution or not? You tell me this problem.
Yes, sir.
Verified?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
dy
sir.
by dx கண்டுபிடி, ds by dt கண்டுபிடி, அத இந்த இடத்துல சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணு. y ஏற்கனவே क्वेश्चन இது, அத இங்க சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணு. x ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா இங்க சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணி y ன்னு கிடைக்கும். Ask your doubt. Now exercise 9.2 is our homework. Tomorrow, just in 10 minutes, I will teach forming the differential equation. There is not the major portion in UPSC examination. Your major portion is solving the differential equation is the major portion in differential equation. Understood? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.